Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, I'm Israman Rashakir. I want to show you my video, and then my video is how to wash clothes manually. I have 6 steps. Step 1, find the clothes you want to wash. Find the clothes. No. Find the clothes. Nothing clothes. Maybe you want to choose clothes. Oh, this is clothes. Step 2. Prepare a bucket and detergent. This is bucket. This is detergent. Alright. Step 3. Turn on the water until full. Like that. Step 4. Throw the clothes and wash it this way. Like that. Then mix the detergent. And wash manually. Step 5. Rinse. Rinse the clothes. Okay, like manually. Stop. Step. Dry. And